This is my favorite one. After this one becomes bigger, so I will cook it. I just joking. I cannot smell my breath. So this is Japanese fish 1, Japanese fish 2, and Japanese poi. So you guys are the fantastic four Nippoi. So I will name you Blacky, Red 1, Red 2. Okay, so only 3 of you. So your name is True Color, Dark Green, Light Green,
Luminous Green yan.
Light Green 2,
Luminous Orange.
Luminous Orange 1 and 2, and Red Flag 1 and Red Flag 2. And this one, Lapad 1 and Lapad 2. Angel fish. Okay. So we have 20 fish in the aquarium. So there are 20 fishes inside the aquarium, and this will be the last one. 3 more to complete the magic 20. There you go. There you go. So there are 20. So may goldfish. Ano tawag dito sa pula na yan?
Koi. Goldfish lang yung tatlo dyan, goldfish. Imported pa raw yun.
So 4 is in, 6 more to go. So 6 plus 4, so 14. Wait. Bad mathematics.
6 plus 4, 14 daw.
6 plus 4, 14. O 10 lang, sorry. Ang tanga-tanga. Wow. Ang tanga-tanga. Ganda. And this will be the last part. So how many fish now inside? So 6, 4, 4, 6.
6 plus 7.
17, then 5.
Plus 4, 10.
5, 17, 18, 19. 21 fish, all in all, I think. Aquarium again after 21 years. Yeah, and the motor. Almost 85% of water. Almost done. Abis pala ta. After 21 years, aquarium again. Ay!
Kunti na lang na. Ganito na lang. Last na siguro yan.
Wala ko pa rin. Ribo, not you. You.